Have you ever wondered why your videos that you live stream on either Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever platform that you are live streaming to, are never in full HD? What I mean is that your videos are always at most 720p, and yet they should be 1080p. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can adjust that and increase the video quality that you are broadcasting or pushing out to these social media platforms using OBS Studio. So first things first, let us come here to our OBS Studio, and what we shall do is come here to settings, come here to output, let me see, come here to video. So in your video, as you can see right here where we say base canvas resolution, some of you have it in 1920 by 720, 1920 times 720. If you have that, just come here. Unfortunately, this cannot do because I'm recording, but if it is not in 1920 by 1080, I want you to come here on the drop down and change it to that. The same applies here to output scaled resolution. If it's not in 1920 by 1080, just click on this drop down here, click on this drop down and increase the video output to 1920 by 1080. And once you've done that, just continue live streaming, and the video which you will be putting out on social media or on YouTube will be in 1080p. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video.